What's up, YouTube? YouTube. It's been a while since I made a video. Squad. It's about to be a winter storm here tomorrow, so I'm getting my last ride in for the week until next week when it starts getting a little bit clearer. Man, I'm gonna miss riding. I've been riding practically every day. Every day, man. Working on my wheelies slowly but surely. Yes, sir. I guess I'm just gonna give y'all some raw footage of me riding around from my GoPro and 360 camera, so hope y'all enjoy. I got a new name, guys. I got a new stage name. RACER Rabbit. What y'all think about it? What y'all think about it, fam? RACER Rabbit in the house. Got the helmet. A rabbit. Bunny ears. You already know. For those that have already been subscribed, you know I've been rocking this helmet. I get a lot of reactions. I want to throw in some clips of reactions that I've been getting. Mel lady. What's up, bro? I'm gonna give this guy a 10. How you doing? Yeah, I heard you, man. I appreciate it. We're all going through things, you know? We all struggling. Hopefully that helps.
Living outdoors right now, having clothes and baskets, and we have a little car bomb while I'm gone, and it rain all my clothes. We're driving clothes.
Man, well, God bless. I hope you get better luck, man.
If I get a job, I'll be alright.
Yeah, we're all trying to make it, you know? Yeah, I hear you, dude. Yeah, I hope that helps. This bike is so much fun. Extremely fun. I'm jamming to some music. If y'all want to know my playlist, just let me know in the comments. Yes sir, yes sir. If y'all haven't already followed my TikTok, go ahead and follow that. I got about 19K on TikTok. I had one video I posted last week go viral. It has about 800,000 views right now, 800K, so I'm hoping we hit 1 million. That'd be pretty awesome. Never had a video get that big. As some of you may know, I dropped my bike at my house. Freaking rookie mistake. And my airbag went off. My airbag deployed. Crazy. That was the video that got 800K views. But yeah, I'm making a lot of people smile and laugh at my helmet. Extremely unique. There's not many people in my town that ride a bike anyways, so it sure is a head turner. People rubbernecking, bruh. You already know. But my middle brother just had a baby boy. So I'm headed to eat with the family right now. And some of you know, some of you don't know, but I'm from Texas, guys. I'm sure you can tell from my accent, brother. Yes, sir, we do a lot of cow roping and calf tackling. No, that goes on here, like rodeos and stuff, but I ain't a part of it. I'm kind of like a city country boy, you know. I think that was my sister-in-law, I'm not sure. You gotta tone it down though. I know the cops be talking about me. I have yet to get pulled over though. But I just put some decals on my backpack. It says Racer Rabbit for TikTok and YouTube. Earlier today, this guy stopped me at Walmart and asked for my social media. So he subscribed right in front of me. I was like, hey bro, that's what's up, man. What's up, brother?
Camera on your helmet, sir?
Yeah, it's a GoPro.
That's awesome. So you ride your bike while having the GoPro activated and stuff?
Yeah, for videos and for like accidents, you know, something happens.
Oh, yes, sir. Do you post any of them on YouTube?
Yeah, I do.
Really? What's your, let me try this.
You can look it up. I just started it. It's Racer Rabbit.
Alright.
Because I have a helmet, a cover I put on there. It looks like a rabbit. So you'll find me on there.
Racer Rabbit.
Racer Rabbit.
Let me see. Racer Rabbit.
TikTok as well. I had a video I posted last week. It got like almost 1 million. Yeah, that's it. See?
Right here?
See the rabbit helmet?
I'm gonna subscribe.
I appreciate it, bro.
Wow, you already subscribers. That's awesome.
I appreciate it.
I have a question about that. So when you do subscribers and stuff like that on YouTube and stuff, do they pay by the subscriber or by the viewers?
No, it's by the views, and if you go live, like, because I also do video game streams and stuff, but mainly like donations is the most like money, you know, but views, unless you get like millions of views, they don't take you that much.
Sure, because I have a few skills myself. I'm actually a certified personal trainer, and I also solve fidgets. So this thing right here, I put it in solid state to scramble back to solid state in less than 10 seconds.
Yeah, post some videos, man.
I just didn't know if I was to post videos and stuff, if I would actually get views or people would actually like look at my stuff or stuff like that. That's the only thing I've been kind of nervous about.
Yeah, just have fun, you know. Like, just do it for yourself. That's what I did. I just do it for my own self, and then some people like it and some people won't. But I mean, it's all random, you know. It's kind of like gambling.
Yes, sir.
Videos, they go viral or they don't, you know.
Yeah.
It's weird. Internet's weird.
It is weird. That's what I've been saying.
Try it out.
When did you first start off on YouTube and stuff like that?
YouTube has been a while. Like I played it. I went from music, like playing the guitar, then I went to video games, and now I'm riding a motorcycle. I've just been doing the motorcycle stuff for a few months, but.
All right. Well, thank you, sir. What's your name, by the way?
Dude, it's Bryce.
Bryce. Yeah. Nice to meet you, Sonny.
I'll see you on social media, I guess. You too. I'm also gonna get some decals and put them on my windscreen. Racer Rabbit in the house. Racer Rabbit. I went between like Bad Bunny, Rabbit Racer, Racer Rabbit, Biker Bunny, and I guess more people chose Racer Rabbit. So I just went with that. It's funny because you know the tortoise and the hare? Yeah, that's me. I'm a fast rabbit. Rabbit always wins. I appreciate the love, guys. Thanks for the subs, the likes, and the positivity. That's what makes the world go round. Positive vibes, guys. You gotta have fun in life. You can't be afraid to die. There's a cot. Let me tone it down. My exhaust is pretty dang loud in first gear. Pretty dang loud, bro. Yeah, I already had to clean my bike twice in 24 hours. Unfortunate, but I gotta keep it shining, especially with my white rims that I painted. Big vibe, big vibe. I can do power wheelies. I can't ride them out, but I can do them. But I'm trying to learn clutch ups, where you pull in the clutch and release it and roll the throttle. I meant put on the throttle. Kind of like one motion, as I've heard. So I'm trying to learn all that. It's difficult, I'm not gonna lie, because I do not want to loot my bike. I don't want to crash it because I only have liability insurance. I don't have full coverage because that's like $400 a month. I can't be affording all that. I ain't rich, guys. Not yet. Maybe one day in life. Maybe one day. I am gonna start working for my father in like a month or so. He owns probably the biggest landscaping lawn service company in my city. He's owned that business for like 30 years. Pretty awesome. So he's always provided me and my brothers a job whenever we need it. My youngest brother's a full-time employee. He's been that for a few years now. Actually, several. Yep. But yeah, I haven't posted in a while. I've been doing YouTube and TikTok shorts. If y'all have kept up with me, everybody's always looking at me, dude. Everywhere I go, like, hey, I see you all the time, man. Keep it safe out there, always, always. I gave it to a homeless dude earlier. Saw him on the side. He said he was hungry, so I don't know what he's gonna use the money for. Hopefully food. It's not my job to know all that and judge. I just gotta do God's work. Pay it forward, man. It'll come back around to you. I promise you. Yes, sir. I love that this bike has modes: power mode, traction, wheelie, and engine braking. They're all different settings you can adjust. Really dope, really dope. Yep. So guys, how y'all been, man? I had COVID a few weeks ago. I had it bad. I had to go to the ER the very first day. It hit me like a train. Felt like a train ran over me. I had severe back pain. I had headaches every day for 2 weeks, 14 days, until I started gradually getting better. I almost choked on my gum, bro. My gum started going down my throat. What was I saying? Oh, I lost my smell and taste like around the 6th day 6. And that lasted, I gradually started getting it back like on day 12. So about a week I had it gone. Like, and when I say gone, man, I could not smell or taste of anything. Nothing. Texas, the weather is freaking crazy. I don't know what it wants to do. And it's February. It's February, guys. It's starting to get cooler though, I feel it. But all today I've been sweating because it's been humid. The winter storm's coming. Drip your faucets. I love riding though. I went to Walmart today and bought a poncho because yesterday I rode and the cloud just busted and it started raining hard. And by the time I got home, I was soaked. My rabbit head was soaked, brother. My jacket, my shirt, my pants, everything, man, my shoes. So I went to Walmart when it cleared up and bought a blow dryer. And I did that. Dried all my stuff. I actually washed my jacket and my pants, but I blow dried my shoes and my helmet and my gloves. Forgot about that. I got these new gloves, man. They were like almost $200 leather. They're freaking nice. They feel great. XLs, because I got big hands. You know what they say about big hands though, right? You gotta get big gloves to fit. Let me tone it down, man. People love to go 70 right here, but like everybody will be doing 75, 70, but it's 55 for a little ways. Yes, sir. Hopefully y'all can hear me okay, man. That would suck if I'm talking, trying to make a YouTube video, and I get home and it's all just whack. Oh yeah, it's starting to get cold. I've been riding around all day, but I took a break. I had to fix a leak. And I just started riding again, going to another town to eat with my family, and it's getting a little chilly. That winter storms is coming. It's coming, bruh. Oh, I thought that was a cop. But I'm good, man. I try not to speed, but it's so hard not to. I try to do everything legal. Like I got insurance, I got plates, valid plates, I got legit plates, man. I got my license, inspection, everything's good, But you already know the cops got my information. Because if they hear about me zooming or something or get comments, bro, they're gonna be like, yeah, we know who that guy is. So I play it fair. I play it easy, man. I love riding, man. I cannot take my car. Like, even if it's freezing, if it's like 30, 20 degrees outside, as long as there's not ice on the roads, I'm riding. If I'm sad, I ride. If I'm mad, I ride. If I'm happy, I ride, man. Love it. Also, another thing I've noticed is it makes me more social. It helps me interact with people because I'm an ADHD or whatever. So after I get done riding, my adrenaline is just out the roof. Also, before you ride, man, you get hyped up. Like, I'll be listening to music before I ride. If y'all know about lifting weights, like working out, do y'all ever get hyped, like before y'all start working out and stuff, and like during, even after? That's exactly what it feels like when you ride a super sport bike. Maybe better, maybe better. Let me give you a little rev, though. That guy was like, dang, bro, you need to slow it down. The thing about this bike, man, people think I'm flying, but it's really my muffler. It's a super sport bike. What do you expect? It sounds like I'm flying, but I really ain't. Is that a cop? No, unless it's undercover. What you doing? No, it's a lady. I'm not saying ladies can't be cops, just, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? If I was real country, I'd talk like this, but I ain't that country. Man, it's getting cold now, bro. I'm so glad I didn't take off my undershirt. Sheesh! 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 Okay. Let me slow down, because I'm not sure if that's a cop behind me or not. If it starts raining though, I'm gonna have to put up my camera. I'm really not sure if actually I think my 360 camera, I can keep it running. I think it's waterproof, I'm not sure. I guess I'll risk it for the YouTube. I'll risk it for you guys. One thing though that I don't like about this rabbit helmet is actually two things. I have it velcroed on top because whenever I used to go, it like the top would go up and you can see my helmet or whatever, it just don't look clean, so I had to velcro it. I like rigged it. It's pretty cool. But as I was saying, I can't really open up my mask. I mean, I can, but I have to like unvelcro it. I got a whole velcro strap up here and it's just a whole process. And what was the other thing that I hate about it? Oh yeah, whenever you're going fast, like 60 or 70, it hurts your neck. Like you're constantly fighting the wind. Like it feels like you're working out your neck. So you really can't ride a long ways with it. But if you're cruising around town, you know, making videos, whatever, it's chill, it's chill. Yeah. What do you guys want to talk about? Like y'all are, like I can hear y'all's thoughts, bro. Like I can tell the future. This is a live premiere, so if y'all are watching it, like right when I release it, there's a chat room that I'm in. Make sure to hit the notification bell, guys, so y'all know when I go live or post content. And I said it once, but I'll say it again. Go follow me on TikTok. There's a cop in front of me. RACER Rabbit. Y'all can go find me on TikTok and YouTube. Man, it's dropping like 5 degrees every 10 minutes. I swear, bro. I'm literally freezing right now. Like, where did this come from? Let me tone it down. Ho. Also, guys, I installed these mirrors, rear view mirror adapters, stick-ons. They help a lot. They help me see my blind spot, which is to my side. The worst blind spot that you could ever have, the most important. Because if I'm switching lanes, man, I gotta see who's in the other lane, or I'm gonna wreck. I'm gonna die, bro. I don't wanna die. But I don't have my airbag vest. As I was saying, it deployed. I had to send it in to Alpine Stars for $180 to refill it and inspect it, test it, all the good stuff. Even though it was a false deployment. I mean, I did kind of mess up, dude. I did kind of drop the bike and trip over it. I went sideways and it popped. It wasn't really loud. I mean, it was kind of loud, like a loud pop, but it kind of jolted my chest. It scared me. It wasn't bad though. Kind of like a real weak football tackle. For those of you that's played football, I played football, but I quit. I quit in high school. I was a little guy. I was a late bloomer, man, and I did not like the feeling of pain, bro. I got clotheslined by the running back one day, and I was like, yep, I'm on a mission to quit. And I blamed it on my headaches. I was like, man, I get bad migraines. I can't be playing. You know, because once you quit football, you're a P word, bro. You're a P word. Like, you know what I mean? You're a little pansy. That's the P word. Pansy, bro. You know, like all the dudes, all the jocks, man. You ain't playing football, bro. You weak. Nah, I just don't like pain. And I was little guy. Even though I was tall, I was like 120 pounds or something. I'm not that much bigger now. I mean, I'm 160, but yep. One thing I love about riding, not only the speed, but I like smelling things. I will say I do not like smelling roadkill. I smell that a lot. And sometimes I'll smell weed, bro. I'll smell weed. Bad. Drugs are bad, okay? Okay. Buy a motorcycle. It'll satisfy your needs. Who's calling me, bro? Collinsville, Texas. I don't know you. I'm sorry, man. Just send me something in the mail and I'll autograph it for you. Send it back. Racer Rabbit here. Sheesh. Thought that was a cop right there. Prime Controls. I see you looking at me, man. Take a picture, it lasts longer. Cause I'm gone, bro. I'm gone. Man, it's cold. This came out of nowhere. I may have to abort mission. I may have to go back home. Because I know if I stay up here too long and eat, and then it's a 15-minute drive back home with a winter storm coming, ice and rain, I'm gonna be in trouble. I'm gonna be in a pickle. I would have ran that yellow, but man, let me slow down. Gosh, it's freezing, bro. Freezing, man. Freezing, bro. Come on, light. Let's go. Tone it down, Racer Rabbit. Tone it down. Yes, sir. CC Caprinde. Yes, sir. I also like riding with no hands, man. It's really not that hard. You just gotta balance the bike, you know. It's dangerous though. Safety first. It's starting to mist. I don't think this is a good idea, fam. Ugh. New voicemail. What? This dude called me like 8 minutes ago, and now he just left a voicemail? Man, what this dude talking about? Probably some scammer, you know? Yes, sir, this is the IRS. We need your bank information and social security number because we have a warrant for your arrest. Send us $20,000 and we will we will take care of it for you. Yes, sir. Sure. Okay, here's my information. Right. It's sad though because people like the elderly, man, they're not real savvy tech with electronics, so they get taken advantage of. It's pretty common. I hate people that take advantage of nice, innocent people. Can't stand it, bro. I've been a victim of that plenty of times because I help people out. I'm a nice, respectful guy, and I help people in need, and a lot of the times I get run over. I'm like a rug, man, and they just wipe their dirty feet on me. And I just do it again, man. I'll just forgive and do it again like an idiot, but oh well. I know it will pay off for me one day. Gotta keep doing God's work. Am I still recording? Yes, sir. Yeah, I don't think this is a good idea. It's freezing. Oh man, it's cold. How cold is it, man? How cold is it, bro? Oh shit. Bro. Oh, I accidentally let out the clutch because it's freezing. I accidentally said a bad word. I'm sorry. I'll bleep it out. It happens. It happens. Especially with a clutch. This is dangerous weather. It's cold and misty and the roads are slick. But we doing it. We doing it. Another thing, man, as a biker, you gotta always be prepared, man. You gotta prepare for the worst. A lot of the times well, I don't say a lot of the times, but sometimes I forget to zip up my pockets. And you want to have everything zipped up, bro. I actually think I'm gonna turn around and go back home because this winter storm is no joke, and it's getting freezing. I didn't think it was gonna hit this quick. I want to text my mom. Another day, another day, another dollar. Another day, another dollar, man. Unfortunately. It's not even that cold right now. I'll keep going. It feels cold. It's only 62. Bro, it's gotta be colder than that. Dang, in Trinidad, Colorado, it's 13 degrees. Like, what? Oh, it's 40, 46. My mom just texted me the weather. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell her. Going back home. Who's honking at me? I've seen the rabbit helmet. A lot of people are, man, a lot of people, they know me. They know me, bro. They know me, man. We're gonna risk it. We're gonna risk it. Oh my God! That was actually dangerous. That lady was taking a... The lady was taking a picture of me. I love it. Watch, I'm gonna be all over the internet. Like Snapchat and stuff. Yeah, that was dangerous back there because that car could have switched lanes, you know? The car could have switched lanes, bro. Yeah, I'm telling my mom I'm going back home. It's already, like, I'm just 30 miles away from my hometown, and it's 20 degrees cooler, so it is coming, bro. It's coming fast. I gotta go back home. I guess I'll make the YouTube video for y'all when I get home. Give me something to do. But yeah, stay tuned, guys, for more videos and content. Racer Rabbit signing off. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all stay safe, take care. Stay away from the bad stuff, the pandemic, guys. Stay well, healthy. You and your family. Okay, guys, I love y'all so much. Give y'all a little rev right here. Lady like, oh my God, they're back at it again, bro. I had my blinker on. Oops, sorry. Sorry, guys. Racer Rabbit signing off, guys. Y'all have a great day, great night, whatever it is for y'all right now. And I will see y'all next time. Or I'll see y'all on TikTok or whatever. Drop a comment, dude. I love talking to y'all. I do reply, if you're lucky. No, I'm just playing. I reply. Until I get famous, guys, I reply to everybody, or I try to. So take care. That was the longest goodbye I've ever done. But anyway, goodbyes are so sad. But this is actually a see you later. So until next time, guys, peace. That's funny, those girls love the helmet. Hey girl, what's up, girl? Racer Rabbit's a name. We just out here having fun. Check out my YouTube, you'll be on it.